Hey, I'm Dustin Woodley with Camelot Properties. I've been in real estate coming up on a couple of decades now. Been through some seasons. So this season, this thing we're going through right now, it is okay. Interest rates are high, but there are definitely ways to capitalize on the market and use it for your advantage. All right. So the first part is bond for title. So basically, you have a 3 or 4% interest rate. Let's say the interest rates are 7.25 right now. It may be higher, it may be lower when you watch this, but let's say you do it at a 9.5 for the buyer. Buyer puts 10% down. That gets real estate agents paid. You a large down payment. So with that said, the market, you're able to cap that spread and capitalize on your amazing interest rate you got a year or two ago. So that is one option. And if you want to discuss that more, feel free to contact me. I teach people all the time. I teach investors how this to be a part, because then you become the bank. You're making money like a bank makes, which is really, really cool. That also spread you're making can offset the higher interest rate and what you're paying for this new house that you want to buy. So that way, it's as if your payment, because they make the payment, you're making the payment and the spread. So that's bringing your, in essence, income up to be able to make that higher payment. So that's number one. Number two, mortgages have gone up. It's causing a little higher days on the market, okay? Because you got to think, if you're looking at a house that sold 2 months ago at 26 days, the interest rates have gone up since then. And every time the interest rates go up, the buying power of people and the amount of people that can buy that house goes down. So here's the deal. For so long, we were unhealthily low, okay? But we are now probably where we need to be, or close to it. I'd say a little lower, but that's my personal, what I'd like to see. But the mortgage amount, or the pay amount that people can get, has gone down. So what I would like to do is that's going to increase the days on the market, but we're still in a shortage. So we're still not enough homes for everyone that wants to enter the market. So with that said, yes, interest rates have gone up, but we are still moving homes. Homes are still selling. They just may take a few extra days. You as a seller may have to give a little bit of a contribution, but it doesn't mean that you're not going to be able to sell, or because homes are selling. They're selling every day. Number three, the shortage. So everyone's going, I'm waiting for the market to crash. The market's not, I don't feel personally, and from what I've read, that the market's going to crash. Will it slow down? Yes. Every time interest rates go down, it's slowing the market down a little bit more. There is supposed to be a flood of some foreclosures coming, okay? But it doesn't mean that the market, because there's still not enough homes in the market being built, coming to the market, being rehabbed for every buyer out there. So yes, when we were back in 2006, 7, when the market totally crashed, it was because of there was too many homes. Everyone had a home, second home, and a third home. So what happened was the market was flooded. Now the market is not flooded, but we are in a place where we have homes, we have buyers, but there's still not enough. So even with the new flood of foreclosures, the market's not going to crash like the investors are hoping. I'm Dustin Woodley with Camelot Properties. If you would love to discuss any of the topics, feel free to call, text, or email me. If you're interested in the bond for title, our company can help you bond for title your property and take advantage of those amazing interest rates that you got a couple of years ago. If you'd like to just traditionally sell your home, we would help you all day long on that also. And we can help you on any of the aspects. If you need any help in a residential home, whether it's buying, selling, renting it out, looking to build an investment portfolio, us at Camelot can help you.